welcome to Meet Botany class. Today's topic systematics. The study of organism identification, classification and nomenclature is known as systematics. It is concerned with the evaluation of organisms' relationships. Classification of organisms into various kingdoms have been done by systematics. The term systematics was proposed by Linnaeus in 1735. It includes description of external morphological characteristics of plants or living organisms. Example, morphological characteristics of root, stem, leaves, flowers. This description is used to know interrelationship among plants and or living organisms. The term systematics, taxonomy, and classification are often held as synonyms, but technically they carry different meanings. New systematics or neo-systematics or biosystematics is a new branch. Its name was given by Julian Huxley in 1940. New systematics includes description of all the characters including morphological characters of plants or living organisms. Example, anatomical characters and cytological characters. It is used to know the interrelationship among living organisms. Carolus Linnaeus is called father of taxonomy. H. Sumptu is called the father of taxonomy. Taxonomy is of three types. In a alpha taxonomy, only morphological characters are used for identification and classification of plants. Alpha taxonomy is also called classical taxonomy. Beta taxonomy. Beta taxonomy involves genetical, anatomical, cytological, polynological, physiological, and other characters. Omega taxonomy, analysis and synthesis of all information and types of data to develop classification system based on phylogenetic relationship. Identification. Identification is to determine the exact place or position of an organism in the set plan of classification. It is carried out with the help of taxonomic keys. Classification. Classification is placing of an organism or a group of organisms in a category according to a particular system and in conformity with a nomenclature system. New systematics is mainly based on evaluatory as well as genetic relationship as compared to morphological characters. Cytotaxonomy. The use of cytological characters of plants in classification or in solving taxonomic problems is called cytotaxonomy. Cytological characters constitute an important aid to plant taxonomy, especially in determining affinities at the generic and intrageneric levels. Chemotaxonomy. The use of chemical compounds present in plants of classification or in solving chemical taxonomy. It is based on the chemical constitution of plants. The basic chemical compounds used in chemotaxonomy are alkaloids, carotenoids, tannins, polysaccharides, etc. So, karyotaxonomy. It is based on the characters of a nucleus and chromosomes. Pattern of chromosomal birds is most specific character for classification of organisms.